Hello everybody, this is Dr. Thunder. Today, I would like to show you how to solve a US high school physics competition question. This is the second question of 2025 F equals MA exam. So we have three identical disks that are placed on a frictionless table. Initially, two of the disks 1 and 2 are at rest and in contact with each other. The third disk is launched with speed v directly toward the midpoint of the two stationary disks with a path perpendicular to the line connecting their centers, as shown in the diagram. Assume all interactions are perfectly elastic and that when the disks collide, there is no friction or inelastic energy loss. Now assume all three disks collide at the same time. What is the final velocity of the third disk? So we want to find out the VF. So as we can see here, when the third disk collide with the first and second disk, because the force is along this direction, so the first disk will leave the initial position along this direction, forming a 30-degree angle with the x direction. Same for the second disk, you will go that way with the same speed v prime, and form an angle 30 degrees with the horizontal direction. And then most assuredly, the third disk will come back along the minus x direction, and with assume the speed is vf. So first, because everything is elastic, so the energy is the same before and after the collision. So before the collision, the kinetic energy is half mv squared, and then after the collision, the kinetic energy of the third ball is half mvf squared, and then we have two balls, two disks here. They both have v prime speed, so we have two half mv prime squared. So we can simplify this equation to equation 1 here. And at the same time, remember the momentum is also conserved before and after the collision. So before the collision, the momentum is mv only, because these two are stationary. And then after the collision, the momentum, because we assume it goes along this direction. So for the third disk, the momentum is minus mvf. For this two, the momentum along the x direction will be mv prime cosine 30 degree, and then multiplied by 2. The momentum along the y direction, they cancel each other. So we simplify the equation and get equation 2. Now from equation 2, we get v prime equal to v plus vf divided by square root of 3, and we plug this into equation 1. Then we get this equation, and then we can further clean up to be like that. Eventually, the equation can be cleaned up like this. Then we can solve the equation. Then we get vf equal to minus v, or v over 5. V over 5, because we already see that the direction for vf is, if it's positive, then it goes to left direction. So v over 5 is vf. If vf equal to minus v, that means it go along the plus x direction, which is actually minus v means the incoming situation for disk 3. So the right answer should be V over 5. The VF should be V over 5. So this is answer D. Thank you for viewing. If you like my video, please comment, like, and subscribe.